We are EduSoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorial for beginners in 3ds Max software.
Hello friends. Today we will discuss about Align tool in 3ds Max. Using the Align tool, you can align the selected object to a target selection. In this video, we will show Align position category only. Here we are opening a sample work for the demonstration of Align tool. Our requirement is to align this cylinder to the rectangular box. For activating this Align tool, click on this icon or using the command Alt-A. First, select the cylinder, then activate the Align tool and select the rectangular box. Now you can see the Align selection dialog box. Using default align position, you can align current object into the target object. Here the current object is cylinder and the target object is rectangular box. Thanks for watching this video.